Are you tired of spending a fortune on flight tickets every time you travel? Are you looking for ways to save money and book cheap flights in 2023? We all want to save money on travel expenses, but it can be difficult to know where to start. With so many comparison tools and flight booking websites available, it can be overwhelming to find the best deals. That's why we've done the research for you and compiled the top tips and tricks for booking cheap flights in 2023. So if you're ready to start saving money and booking cheap flights like a pro, be sure to subscribe to our channel Beyond the Adventures and stay tuned for more travel tips and tricks. Let's get started. Number 1. Be flexible while trying to find cheap flights. When it comes to finding cheap flights, flexibility is key. By being open to different dates, times, and destinations, you can increase your chances of finding the best deal possible. Let's say you have your heart set on visiting Switzerland during the Christmas holidays or Dubai for New Year's Eve. These are peak travel times, and you are unlikely to find affordable flights on those exact dates. However, if you are willing to adjust your plans and travel on different dates or to a different destination, you can increase your chances of finding cheap flights. For example, if you're flexible about when you travel to Switzerland, you may be able to find better deals on flights during the shoulder season, when fewer tourists are visiting. Number 2. Plan in advance. Planning in advance can be a great way to save money when booking flights. It's generally a good idea to start researching and planning your trip at least 10 to 12 weeks in advance. This will give you plenty of time to compare prices across different airlines and websites to find the best deals. As you approach your travel dates, keep a close eye on the flight fares to see if there are any changes or price drops. One common rule of thumb is to book your flight 7 to 8 weeks before your journey. This is because in many cases, flight prices start to increase from 6 weeks out. By booking in advance, you may be able to secure a lower price before it starts to creep up. Number 3. Use the best flight booking sites. Booking flights can be a daunting task, especially when you're trying to find the best deals. It's important to know that relying solely on an airline's official website may not always be the best option. Instead, it's a good idea to use the best flight booking sites to compare prices and find the best deals for your travel needs. Here are some of the best flight booking sites. Wayaway. Wayaway is a flight aggregator that compares deals from major U.S. and global airlines and agencies to give travelers the best rates on airline tickets. The service offers the best flight deals for specific travel dates, as well as more affordable tickets on alternative dates. Users who sign up for the Wayaway Plus membership plan can earn additional cashback on bookings of flights, hotels, rentals, and more. Skyscanner. Skyscanner is one of the most popular flight booking sites, especially in Europe. It allows you to find and compare flights, destinations, and dates. It's very easy to use and allows you to browse cheap flights anywhere. Try their Search Everywhere function to explore the best prices available anywhere in the world. Skyscanner can also be accessed easily through their app. Kayak. Kayak is another user-friendly flight booking site that allows you to search for cheap flights according to your needs. Their Explore function is a great tool for free spirits, as you can set your budget and let Kayak find the best options for you. You'll be surprised to see the places you can travel to on your budget. Number 4. Search in incognito while finding cheap flights. Have you ever searched for a flight and noticed that the price keeps increasing each time you search for it? This can happen because of cookies in your browser that store the data you provided during your previous searches. This can result in higher prices for the same flight. To avoid this scenario, it's always a good idea to use incognito mode when searching for flights. Incognito mode prevents your browser from storing your search history, cookies, and other data. This means that each time you search for a flight, you're starting fresh, and the prices won't be affected by your previous searches. Number 5. Book flight tickets on weekdays. If you're looking to save money on flights, it's a good idea to consider booking your ticket on weekdays instead of weekends or public holidays. Flight fares tend to be cheaper during the weekdays, especially if you book your flight on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. According to statistics, flight fares tend to be the cheapest if you book your flight tickets on weekdays, between 2 to 4 p.m. This is because there is less demand for flights during these times, and airlines may offer lower prices to fill up their planes. On the other hand, Weekends and public holidays tend to be the busiest times for air travel, which means that flight fares may be higher during these times. Number 6. Fare sales. If you're looking for great deals on flights, one strategy is to keep an eye out for fare sales. Airlines will often offer discounted fares for a limited time in order to attract more customers. To take advantage of these sales, it's a good idea to subscribe to the email list of your preferred airline company. This will give you early access to any deals or promotions they're offering. You may also want to follow airlines on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook, as they may announce promotions on these channels as well. Another way to find fare sales is to use websites like flightdeal.com. Number 7. Use different city or currency. Booking a flight from a different country can sometimes be more expensive than booking from your home country. However, there is a simple solution to this problem. When you book a flight ticket, the system assumes a certain country that you are issuing the ticket in. So, if you go to the international website of the airline instead of buying a ticket from your home country's website, you may find cheaper fares. For example, instead of buying a Malaysia Airlines ticket from the US website, try buying the ticket from the Malaysia website in Malaysian ringgit. This may result in a better flight deal due to the exchange rate. Number 8. Connecting flights. If you're looking to save money on your next flight, consider booking a connecting flight rather than a direct flight. Connecting flights may take longer and involve layovers, but they can often be significantly cheaper than direct flights. Airlines companies know that many people prefer direct flights, which means that these flights can often be more expensive than connecting flights. However, if time is not a constraint for you, then choosing a connecting flight can be a great way to save money on your travel expenses. Number 9. Last-minute flight deals. Many people believe that booking a flight ticket at the last minute can result in cheaper prices. While this may be true in some cases, it's important to note that flight prices can also increase as the departure date gets closer. However, some airlines may release unsold seats or award seats a few days before the journey. This can result in really amazing flight deals, especially if you're flexible with your destination and travel dates. If you're interested in last-minute flight deals, consider checking out websites like lastminute.com. This site offers a variety of travel deals, including last-minute flights and cheap hotel deals. Number 10. Error fares flights. Error fares are a rare but exciting opportunity to book flights at a significantly discounted price. Sometimes, airline companies may sell tickets at the wrong price due to a system error or human mistake. This can result in flights being sold for much cheaper than their usual price. If you're interested in finding error fares, one website to check out is flyertalk.com. However, it's important to note that error fares are rare and can be difficult to find. Additionally, there may be restrictions or limitations on these fares, such as specific travel dates or routes. Thank you for watching our video on the top tricks for booking cheap flights in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel Beyond the Adventures for more travel tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family who are also looking to save money on their travel expenses.